Hello children, welcome back with this new chapter of English language of class 4th. This is chapter number 6, number. So first of all, I will tell you about number. I mean to say that what are numbers. Numbers means there are two kinds of numbers like singular numbers or plural number. In singular number, there is a definition given here: a noun that stands for one person, place, animal, or thing. This is here a noun that stands for one person, place, animal, or thing is said to be singular number. For example, a school, a child, a toothbrush, a comb, a blanket. It means in singular number we are only talking about one thing or one animal or one person or one place. And in plural number, a noun that stands for more than one person, place, animal or thing. Just see here properly and keep it in mind. More than one person, place, animal or thing is said to be in the plural number. For example, schools, children, toothbrushes, combs and blankets. So in plural number we always talk about more than one. So here is one exercise given, warm up exercise. This is warm up exercise. So we will do this. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the nouns in the brackets. So you have to change the number according to the sentence, and you just see the words given in the brackets. You have to write according to the sentence here. The New Wave School organized a care and share week. The dash packed suitcases full of dash to be given to the unprivileged dash who had lost their dash. Means the New Wave School organized a care and share week. So in the school there are so many children. तो बहुत सारे चिल्ड्रन ने मिलकर के एक सूटकेस पैक किया जिसमें उन्होंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें रखी. सो here the word is given in the bracket is the child. So we will write, instead of child we will write children, because we are not talking about single child, we are talking about so many children, more than one. Then wait for a while. Yes, so we will write here children, packed suitcases full of dash to be given to the unprivileged dash, full of things. To be given to the underprivileged children. Again children will come. Who had lost their parents. Each Here each is given, it means we are talking about only single one child. So we will write as it is. There will be no change in this word child. Each child packed something to be donated. Vidya put in a few dresses. A few means more than one. And some t-shirts. Faiz packed some medicines. A few packets of biscuits. Some coloring books. You write the complete word here. I am adding here only books, coloring books. This fully will come here. You write complete word here. And 5 boxes of crayons, some clothes, and few boxes of sweets. Tarun added a blanket and 3 sheets. Finally, Akshay put in 2 boxes of chocolates, and they were ready to go and hand over the gifts. So I hope you understood this. Now come to next page. Children, now you all are having your books with you. I hope so. So you can do these exercises in your book itself, and the definition that I will give you in PDF, and exercises also I will give you in PDF. So exercises you do in the book, and definitions you do in the English language copy. So now come to next. I will explain you some more thing about this noun. This numbers. Most nouns have a singular form and a plural form. The plurals is formed in different ways. For most nouns, we add s to the singular to get the plural form. Most of the nouns we add only s to get in plural form. But for example, egg, eggs, we are adding s only. Parent, parents, door, doors, etc. Next one, for nouns that ends in s, double s, sh, ch or x, we add es to the singular to get their plural forms. When any noun ends with these words, then what we will do? We will add es to the singular to get the plural forms, like bus, buses, class, classes, box, boxes, brush, brushes, church, churches, like this. Next one, for nouns that end in o, we add es to get their plural forms. For example, mango, mangoes. When any word ends with o, we will add there also es only. See here. Potato, potatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. Hero, heroes. Now the next one. When a noun ends in f or fe, then the plural is formed changing the f or fe to ves. When we when any word ends with f or fe, and that is singular, and if we have to change it in plural, then instead of f or fe we have to change f or fe to ves. Like thief, here f is given, then instead of this f we will write here ves. So thief, thief, thieves. Wife, and with fe, then also we will remove this fe and we will add here ves. In place of fe we will add ves, like wife, so it will become wives. Life, lives. Dwarf, dwarfs. Hoof, hooves. Some nouns end in a consonant followed by y. Some nouns ends in a consonant followed by y. Means when any word ends with y, then we, in place of this y we will write ies. In place of this y we will write ies when we change it in plural. For example, city, cities. Army, armies. Next one, for a noun that ends in a vowel followed by y, we add s to form the plural. Means when we are when we speak the word like day, एंड तो लास्ट में डे में जब हम बोल रहे हैं तो डे की स्पेलिंग में तो वाई से एंड हो रहा है, लेकिन जब हम जब उसको बोल रहे हैं तो उसमें ए साउंड लास्ट में आ रहा है. डे, ए साउंड लास्ट में आ रहा है. डंकी, ई साउंड लास्ट में आ रहा है. बॉय, तो वो ओ बॉय साउंड, वो लास्ट में ओ साउंड आ रहा है. ए साउंड आ रहा है. बॉय, ए साउंड आ रहा है. सो इन दीज काइंड्स ऑफ वर्ड वी ओनली एड एस. वी विल नॉट चेंज एनी वर्ड टू एनी वर्ड, ओनली वी विल एड हेयर एस. लाइक डे, डेज. डंकी, डंकीज. बॉय, बॉयज. monkey, monkeys. Next, some nouns ends in a consonant. Some nouns form their plural very differently. सम नाउन्स फॉर्म द प्लूरल. कुछ नाउन जो ऐसे होते हैं जो अपने जब प्लूरल बनते हैं बिल्कुल डिफरेंट वे में होते हैं. दे डू नॉट फॉलो एनी ऑफ द रूल दैट यू हैव जस्ट रीड. इनमें से कोई भी रूल जो अभी अभी मैंने आपको समझाई, आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू, कुछ भी नहीं होते हैं. लाइक चाइल्ड, चाइल्ड में आर ई एन ऐड हो रहा है. कोई भी हम पुराना जो भी अभी आपने आपको इससे पहले जो भी मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किए जितने भी रूल्स, वो इधर कहीं भी फॉलो नहीं हो रहे हैं. कुछ डिफरेंट वे में इनको हमको प्लूरल में चेंज करना पड़ता है. दैट यू हैव टू लर्न. लाइक मैन, मैन इज सिंगुलर एंड MAN is singular and MEN is plural. Same way, child is singular and children are plural. Woman, woman, in this woman word MAN is coming, so this is singular, and here WOMEN, this word is plural. MEN is coming. Tooth, TOOTH, this is singular, and TEETH, this is plural. Gentleman, gentleman, same way like I have explained you man and men, here also gentle, MAN is coming, so this is singular, and MEN is coming, this is plural. Mouse, 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 and this is singular, and MICE, mice, this is plural. Now next, some nouns have the same form in the singular as well as in the plural. For example, in this some of the words there will be no change when we are changing it in plural. They will remain as it is. They will not change. There will be no addition of s or es or ves. Nothing we have to do. We have to copy the same word in plural also. These kinds of words are dear, dear, fish, fish, furniture, furniture. In plural also we will use that word, same word only. Information, information, sheep, sheep, fruit, fruit. There will be no changes. Now come to next page. Complete the table. Story. I am not writing the whole word. I am only writing the word which is adding here in place of if there is any change, then I will tick there, and you don't write from here. You just, I am making this video only for explaining. You just, when you are writing, you write from the PDF. Don't write from here. Just listen this video properly so that you can understand. Story, stories. In place of y we will write here ies, stories. Foot, feet, I told you, like tooth, teeth. Mare, mares, mare. Peahens, peahen, singular we have to make. Shelf, here you have to change it in plural, so it is ending with f, so we will write in place of f ves, selves. Monkey, ending with y, so we will write here monkeys, monkeys. Mice, I explained you, its singular is mouse. Family, families. Geese, singular is goose. Wolf, ending with f, wolves. Now come to next, babies, baby. Leaf, in place of y, leaves. Batsman, here coming a, so we will change it in e when we change it in plural. Batsmen. Handkerchiefs, f is coming here, so in place of this f we will write here ves, so handkerchiefs, handkerchiefs, ieves. Lady, ladies. Sorry, lady, ladies. ladies. B, bees. Next is dictionary, dictionaries. RIES, herd, herds. Sheep, it will remain same, sheep. Hoof, ending with f, so it will become hoofs. Next exercise. There is an error in each of these sentences. Write the sentences correctly. So, according to sentence, if you feel that this is for this sentence is telling about only one, then you change the number of that particular word. And if there is if the sentence is like plural, if you feel that it is for saying about the plural, then you change that word in plural. Like they are very good, they are is coming here. So here are is coming, so this sentence is telling about so many children. So in place of child we will write here children. Rest all sentence will remain same. I brush my tooth every day. What is the plural of tooth? That is teeth. It will not be tooths. So you write in place of tooths, write teeth, because tooths is the wrong word. And now next one, third, many women's. Why women's? Woman. What is the plural of women's? Woman. Answer is woman. MEN. Rest all will remain same. Please comb your hairs. Never say hairs, because like I told you that some of the words will not change in plural also. Here also we will write only hair in plural also. We will not change it. We will not put any s in this. Now next. There are many big cities and towns in India. There are many here given. Are many is given here. So means so many, for so many cities and towns we are talking about. The sentence is talking about. So in place of city and town you write cities and towns. Rest all sentence will remain. Rest the whole sentence will remain same. The next one, sixth one. Father purchased new furniture for the house. In this word, furniture is given here, and I told you that furniture plural is also the plural of furniture will remain same. Furniture only, not furnitures. 9 sheep were grazing. 9, so many are there, but sheep is a word which we will not change. It will remain same, sheep only. There are there are two glasses means more than one. So instead of glass, I told you the word changing with double s. In that, those kind of words you add es. So children, now come to next exercise. Exercise C. Write C for countable nouns and UC for uncountable nouns. Water. First one is water. First of all, I will tell you that the words which is given here, in this you just think to which word you can count, to which thing you can count, that is countable, and to which you cannot count, that are uncountables. So first one is water. Can you count water? No. So this is UC, uncountable. Second one is page. Yes, we can count. So this is countable. Third one is pastry. we can count. So this is countable. Fourth one is pen. Yes, we can count. This is countable. Fifth one is tiger. Yes, we can count tiger. Sixth one is grass. No, we cannot count. So this is uncountable. Seventh one is brick. We can count. So it is countable. Eighth, juice. We cannot count. We cannot count juice. It is uncountable. Ninth one is computer. We can count. So it is countable. 10, book. Yes, we can count. It is countable. 11, watch. Count. We can count watch. So it is countable. 12th, window. Yes, we can count. It is countable. 13th, salt. We can't count. So it is uncountable. 14th one, bangle. We can count. So it is countable. Ball. We can count. It is countable. Now come to next exercise. Exercise D. Choose a suitable word from the box and write it before the countable nouns in each sentence. The word may be repeated. Okay. So first one is when you are tired, you should listen to some music. What will come here? Some. Okay, next one is I need to drink dash of water. I need to drink a lot of water. Is there dash water left in the flask? Means any water left in the flask. The chef has used dash of the oil to cook this dish. The chef has used a little of the oil to cook this dish. Dash paint has fallen on the floor. We can write all paint, यानी कि full complete paint has fallen on the floor. So we will write here number 4. This one we will write in 4. Fourth one. Fifth one, there is dash furniture in the room. It is empty. Empty means खाली है वो रूम, इसमें कोई भी फर्नीचर नहीं है. So this will come no. In this no will come. There is no furniture in the room. Now come to next. Sixth one. He drank the milk and he drank dash the milk and left nothing for his sister. He drank, कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ा अपनी सिस्टर के लिए, तो पूरा फिनिश कर दिया. इसके मीनिंग he drank all the milk and left nothing for his sister. Seventh one, do you want dash sugar in the tea? Do you want some sugar in the tea? Next one, eighth one, they purchased a dash of rice, a lot of rice. Dash butter, a little butter, and dash coffee from the store, and some coffee from the store. So now this chapter is over. So I hope you understood this chapter, and there are some definitions I will give you in my PDF. So from PDF only you copy the exercises. You can do the exercises in the book, and I will give the definitions also in that only. So and we will meet with the new chapter soon. Till then, bye bye.